It is February 10th, and I think I'm buying a new car this weekend. There's been some chats between my fiance and I within the past few days about upgrading to a bigger vehicle. I used to have a Mazda Tribute, which is kind of like a Ford Escape. And the trunk and the space in that vehicle was literally... But I had to upgrade in 2020 to my Chevy Trax because my Mazda was literally gonna kill me. The brakes just weren't giving anymore. So I did that for safety reasons. And now I'm just like not content with the space that I have in this vehicle because we do travel a lot with our lab. And even if we're like driving 30 minutes away with our dog and our bags packed, there's literally no room for anything else. So I just try to think about my future, and when we do have a child and Stella and like all of our bags and stuff, it's gonna be a little too much. So I think I'm test driving some vehicles on Saturday. Today's Thursday, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me just in case I actually buy a car. So yeah, let's go test drive some vehicles. Hey guys, it's February 12th, which means we are on our way to the dealership in which my handsome fiance works at to test drive a vehicle. Originally, I was going to be test driving 2, but the one Jake didn't feel comfortable with me like even looking at because there's a recall on the engine or something. I don't remember. But we are going to be test driving a 2019 Ford Edge, and she's literally beautiful. And we have our Starbucks, and we are ready to go check out this car. So see you soon. This is the Ford Edge that I'm test driving, and it's freaking loaded. It has the spinny Prindle. It has freaking, what's that called?
Wireless charging.
Wireless charging. It has cool screen and more storage here, and more storage here. Show me. I just found $3 in there. And the best part is this guy. Goes all the way to the back. And the trunk is huge. I could have a sleepover back there. And it's all leather interior. Let's go.
So, what do you think?
I love it.
Is it the one for you?
I think no, I know it's the one for me. Oh my God. I am in the middle of buying a car. Like, I'm literally shook. I'm just waiting on like interest rates from the banks and everything like that. So I should be getting a call in like 30 minutes. This vehicle is a beast, and I'm literally so excited to, I don't know, just have it. And my delivery date is on Tuesday, so I'm getting a new car on Tuesday. I'm just so excited. Like, I don't know, I feel like this is just a big thing for me. I don't know, I'm proud of myself. 2022 is gonna be my year. And yeah, next thing is to clean out my car because I'm trading it in. So yeah, I'll see you later. guess what day it is? I am getting my new car today. I'm so excited. I was supposed to clean out my car yesterday, which was Monday, and I haven't been feeling good since Sunday, so today I kind of feel a little better, which is good because I'm picking up the car. So that's why I didn't clean it yesterday. So now I'm stuck doing it today. So I have a garbage bag for the garbage, and then the stuff that's supposed to be in the house or in my next car is gonna go in here, and then I'm going to go through it when I get upstairs. So that's what I'm doing right now. Fun stuff. So fun. I'm just gonna be in here having a party. It's time to go get my new car. So pumped. I look a little different since the last time you saw me. Crimped the hair for the first time. Put makeup on, lipstick, cute outfit for my new car pick. I just said goodbye to Lex, which is this car. And I'll insert that here. Okay. Bye. Thanks for keeping me safe and doing what you had to do when I needed you to. So now it's time to go get some Starbucks. Yes, I have an addiction. And drive to the dealership. So excited. I do have a name for her, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you when I'm with her, and we're going to share it together. Also, if you don't say goodbye to your car, please don't judge me. I get attached to things very easily, so. Bye! Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Guys, we've made it home. Me and my lovely gal, my all leather interior gal, my sunroof and I, we made it home. I'm obsessed with her. She drove so nice and soft. I feel like I'm in a truck. She's a beast. Welcome home. I guess you're wondering what I named her. Everyone, meet Blair. I don't know if y'all have ever watched Gossip Girl, but Blair Waldorf is spicy, and so is this vehicle.